TV sene de bia no ye nya abotre pa na ye twen eme ye hu se ade no confirm ama che se o mesi kwan so ansa na ye the 20 man squad e de abrem and okre ye bobo mo a day before, which is true. Inti se match na Sunday, Saturday after last training ni abobo players ebe ko camp e de achro na sing se Kotoko game no Saturday ochena nimti no na enye Kotoko home game uti media enye Kotoko home game, meaning Kotoko have to travel now according to we no Accra, so Accra so there almost there 4 hours and enye Accra na Ankasa Accra na Kotoko bebo no ade chia there will be a bit of travel which will be Kotokp. So even if some college or Kotokp, you know the distance from Accra to Kotokp is almost 2 hours or so. From Kumasi to Accra, as they see in the Kwana bus, and you're looking at almost 5 to 6 hours because we know pressure be any no become the castle or Kwakofebiaba. So you're looking at almost a 7 to 8 hours journey. To some my players need training and anopa. Now saying we can someone sign back you on that journey at time and on rest for the game tomorrow. So yesterday was the last training at the Asante Kotoko. And after the training, the ball the 20 man squad at the moment. But I wanted to wait. Bibi intina mbesa me train kakra. Na mihunya BBA. Yes, no, everything was done, but I still wanted to be careful. Yamoshi team no safe journey. Match against Legon cities with Kotokp, tough game by our standard. Makacho said, so you Kumasi Asante Kotoko team now. The performance and spot on. Yesterday I talked about it. Apart from the performance not being up there, the other thing that you need to consider is that teams be bring out teams are more out of line last year. Karela is struggling, baby any Gold Stars are struggling. Dreams FC anchor the top 10 home. Nations FC that 10th position. Probably media mediana money and beche mona be a kesia Kotokp. It is a continue from course, right? I should tell you, say, I guess if one nearby, an anket one nearby, they give Kotoko a bit of a problem. Because Kotokp dreams normally lose too much at once on the heart Kotoko. I'm a share Kotoko. And nations no more struggle. But I'm to me the Kotokp draw. Lions ne Kotokp draw we one said I'm bobo papa be out the league nase. But the engineer who you beha Kotoko. Baby any Gold Stars is struggling but share Kotoko. 2 years be in so atrema mo kakra bi. Nti Kotoko team or that year koba, we should be very, very careful. Legon cities are in the relegation zone and Parkwesi Fabian will try as much as possible to do everything say league obet me pick the maximum points against Kotoko. So it's not an easy game. Any question Maranti and Eddie Diagro. May call 20 man squad no so, but me mount. On said and say me in fact training news name back day me can boom and they abroad once because of a football hour. Now this is Silver TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, which is very, very important. And me media no corner name. Subscribe to the channel. But subscription back to Musumami. Na yam koyenim. This week, Danlad Ibrahim Obi Osha Asante Kotoko videos on post to on YouTube account. You realize that Danlad not just slippers and are not on ante. The 3 goalkeepers are now open FN Joba, any omo training was Moise Poate, Fatao Sedu, any Abrantia FN Freddy Kasari. What it means is that Danlad are not fit for the game. And before I even go to the squad, he's out of the game, which was already out there. Yes, that Nancy me decided say me can boom preko penam the amount. And I say no, me can boom the amount. Na I enrich you day no. Na mo weni aje. Away from that on Sunday, a brand up me bobo Kotoko lineup no. Me kesi su dia say mo amu bisa questions about Baba ya. Finally, Abrewa Eyipuma. He was part of the players at core camp on Saturday last week. Ebra Kotoko bebo medium. But last minute, any football said he cannot play in the game because not 1 or 2 a year bino and yes successful. But in Koma deal with stadium honor, anytime and I may book Kotoko 20 months and Kotoko starting 11. No, because he should have said Baba Yaya will be available for the next Asante Kotoko game. Because our week here there no, that document and our process just something small which they can easily finish it even on that Monday. Born here kwesiada the Monday na mpanimfo awie. Enti mo amabisa Baba Yaya no. God being so good, bibia ye down as at enano pa medim komo or the powers that be hono bibia ye down and he can play for Kotoko. I am confirming it to you. So wamba na ebia a technical decision. That is what I can say for now. But Baba are ready to play for Team Efenu Kumase Asante Kotoko. And numre I'll answer most of the questions in the evening. My Baba catch us Rashid Nortey. Come on, me die Asad Maka. I don't know, people keep asking me this question. Maka Chrosen come on me die about Rashid Nortey. Minia Rashid Nortey, Clinton Opoku, Solomon Safutela, Ernest Osei Poku. These are the names that I can remember. They are on Kotoko's payroll, but they were not registered by Asante Kotoko. To mean can ye Rashid Nortey Kotoko daso etuaneka. And then the Memensaka. Kotoko players do market ya Rashid Nortey ejina ketua. He coming back to Kotoko. Me say Kotoko an register no. An can the players into one kahun. On kahun. Solomon Safutela. Okay. Yes, I've seen the debate. Me who 2 different posts under my comments on Solomon Safutela. I'm focus on the Kalu. People have started the comparison because it was something that even before Kalu Bekikebo now started. Because people thought that Kalu shared 3 goals, now Kotoko Fanaba. Safutela should share 3 goals. So people thought we should give him another chance. But let's go to the 20-man squad. We will address all those issues. So I have to address these issues in the evening. No more questions now they are banging. I will talk about that. So the goalkeeping department, like I was saying, as it stands now, they are all honor. But say the Omni and Medema, which is a year Danlad out of the game, leaving Moise Poitier, Frederick Asare. So Moise Poitier for the first time in the season, and Kotoko 20-man squad no muewura. Kotoko 20-man squad for the entire season in has been Frederick Asare and Danlad Ibrahim Bene, Moise Poitier etimi ewura team no. But you all know that Frederick Asare, after the performance against Midiama, he will definitely be the one in the goal. Actually, hono Nana Benyini Amwa na wenya Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, and a branch of Sharif Mohammed. That is what Ewaha meme de mount into Wemu Eyomwa Womu Etukano. They say what about a 3-back system. And in the 3-back system, no, we figure more to me ball wing backs. Morrison would be ball wing backs. Blade me go catch it off for no. And we shall ball now, play ball here now. Even if Kotoko number of defenders named also Krana, you can easily make a case in terms of Dodua coaching. Now moving forward, Ubenya Justice play in the middle. Now when you Sharif Mohammed in the middle, so Sharif form you know now with Prince Adasan, you know. Whenever Prince in can defenders. The Prince is a defender. The other Prince in can defenders, no matter the 5. Yemfa a year Morrison so can defenders no. Good. So defenders no. Prince Adasa, Justice Yemfa Blinken defenders no. Enoch Morrison yet not can defend because of the position of boy as a left wing back. Now when ya Nana Benyina Moa, Sharif Mohammed, Henry Ansu, and Yusuf Nuruddin. In the Prince Adasa Justice Blay, any Morrison Bekanwa, Nachese, and Wabano, our defenders, no, our side. Now moving on to the midfield. There's a many play a few midfield that could defense. Meaning midfield, no, about account Richmond Lamptey, Michael Che Jamana, Andrews Intimenu Sharif Mohammed. Na midfielders no. Don't forget say the Eric Zeze. I can midfielders no for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na o de Baba Yaya. Eswa can midfielders no for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Or a creative midfielder. Na adnaka ho for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Meaning say attackers no eba be you be say Isaac Opon na Peter Amidu na wenya Steve Mukwala wenya George Infege na wenya branch of Kalu Watara na omabano as attackers. For Kalu, Mukwala, Infege, Isaac Opon and Peter Amidu. These are the 5 attackers. Our coach, Eddie make it the trip, which we need to understand. Intimate Morrison, Prince Adasan, Justice Blay, I can't chill off on. Let me just give it to you again. One, Moise Poitier, goalkeeper, na Yamau, Frederick Asari, 2 goalkeepers. Defenders, Henry Ansu, Sharif Mohammed, na Yusuf Nuruddin, Prince Adasan, Justice Blay, Enoch Morrison, any Abrante Fen Nana Benini Amwa, Omo 7. Midfielders, Eric Zeze, Baba Jaya, Eka midfielders no. Richmond Lamte, Sharif Mohammed, Andrews Intimenu, and Michael Che Jamana, Eric Zeze. We move and midfielders. Attackers no, Isaac Opon Nema, Peter Amidu Akwa, now when Kalu Watara, George Infege, and Steve Mukwala. Abano, baby. By the 20 number, Gubas more the last minute changes is not expected to happen. But that is what I try to avoid. Get the whole thing so that last minute changes beyond Ember. The players 20 Gubas ma yet concurrent. Now it's too early for me to drop the possible lineup. The game is tomorrow. So if I'll be dropping the possible lineup, probably in the evening. Because Ene will drop a possible lineup this time, it might not be favorable. One thing that I can tell you is that when a coach tries a new method and deploy players, I will position that in your natural position. For instance, Blade, the natural position, a defensive midfielder, wouldn't acquire a center back position. But playing as a right center back comes with different responsibilities. Your understanding of the position, why you need to open up, when to close and when to open. What you say? Blade most of the time about center back or as a stopper. Only you know 1v1 yeah, the friend man marking where it's home. But in this case, as a right center back, so almost a main center back any progressive now is so close. So who's a right back now on the new power is so be sending cover the spaces on the wings. Because me a 3, 1 4, there's a be now cover. So the understanding of the duty comes with some level of difficulty. But with me Morrison as a right wing back, it's me Mukwala Infege as a right wing, as a right winger rather, wing back. Morrison as a left wing back. Obiat me and Yoshi go now was a cross from the middle. Infege running through Eko Pekea penalty nearby. So one thing that I can tell you is that coach need try new system and don't forget the entire season. Now coach a feno open. Embol 2 creative midfielders were match muda. On board 2 creative midfielders. Match muda in the shape of Lamte and Zeze. No about 1 defensive midfielder. Match is not bunyan. That's about my change. I'm gonna do Sintimen. But the creative brilliance of Zeze and Lamte above SR2. No, the mostly partnership and do Sintimen. Michael Jamana Sharif Mohammed or Sharif Mohammed and do Sintimen as the base 2. No about 1 creative, but as a signable 2. With 1 defensive midfielder in Sharif Mohammed, which worked for him. Again, Mombo, Mfegi, Kalu, and Mukwala together as front 2. They be Arabaku operating from the wings against Midiama or Bobumienu as a front 2, and they worked. So I won't say much. You been now based on training near Papa possible 11 in the amount. No one would dare. But the strategy and the system, craving a coach, based on the scouting report on Legon cities. So there will be a lot of structural changes, but the identity and there will be structural changes. But the identity is likely to remain similar to that of or the ball against Mediama. So bet team, my family, na numre, ma consem no pa.